so you don't miss us. We are missing you, but we have given you some videos so that you can see us every day. And we gave you some activities last time. Did you enjoy them?
I think so. They must have enjoyed it.
Yes. So you don't get bored doing those old things. We are giving you activity bag number 2. And mummies and daddies, we have also given some instructions behind it, and it's an instruction sheet so that you can help your child do the activities at home. And these are quite self-explainable activities, so the children can explore them themselves as well. Now, do you want to see what's inside this activity bag? Yes? Are you ready?
Yes. This is the first activity. The first activity is a puzzle.
Wow.
So you have puzzle pieces and a puzzle mat.
This is a fish, ma'am.
Yes, just like a rainbow fish.
Yes, it's so colorful. Look. Wow, so pretty.
So these puzzle pieces you have to match on the puzzle mat. Yes?
Oh. And these are all triangle shapes, ma'am.
Yes. And similarly, we have to put all the puzzles and join it on this puzzle mat.
Yes. And moms and dads, once your child is confident to make the puzzle on the puzzle mat, later on they can join the pieces separately without the puzzle mat. That will be so exciting. You can give them new puzzles.
Yes, and don't forget to bind up, and please don't tear it.
Yes, there would be a turtle or a fish in your bag. So let's see how exciting that would be. Now, do you want to see the second activity? Yes? Are you ready?
Yes.
Ooh, it's a worksheet bag. What is it?
Worksheets.
Yes, and let's see what worksheets do we have in here. Wow, they look very exciting, ma'am.
Yes. We here have an angel fish already made for you. But how did we make this?
Yes, ma'am, how did we make this angel fish?
For this, we need a pencil. So first, I'm going to join these dots. And then when I have joined all these dots, we can color them like this. Yes? And you can choose any color. You can choose pencil color, and either you can use crayons. And then you can color it like this. And you need not do it on a one day itself. You can divide and do it. One day you can trace, one day you can do one color, another day you can do the second color. No rush. You can take your own time. And when it's finished, then you can do freehand also at the back of the paper.
Hey.
Whatever you like to do, you can make it at the back of the worksheet.
Wow.
Yes. Similarly, we have another worksheet for you, and it's already done for you. We have drawn and we have made the waves.
They have curved lines and tracing waves. Wow.
Yes. And when it's ready, you can color the snail and snake. And again, you have a freehand worksheet where you can draw anything you want to.
This is so pretty. I'm so excited I get to color, and Ma'am Sparrows love coloring.
Yes.
So I'll keep the worksheets back so that we have space for the third activity. Are you ready for the third activity? Do you want to know what it is?
Yes.
So Sparrows, we had a beach in our class and we have a lot of sand. So we have an exciting activity for you with sand.
So
Do you want to see?
yes. So first, we are going to trace the first letter of a name on this sand.
Wow. So ma'am, you can put the sand on a sheet.
Yes, you can either keep a sand in a plate, or you can put sand on any paper and spread it. Spread.
So ma'am, for this activity, you're giving the name mat and the sand bag.
And
you can pour the sand on this.
and I will take my pointer and I'm going to trace the first letter. So here is the V sound and I'm going to trace it with my both fingers. Yes, and I've made a V on sand like this.
Wow! So first they can trace it here.
Yeah, they can use pointer or two fingers.
Wow! So I can trace the W here and then make a W here. Wow! This is so fun!
And not only this, Navneet ma'am, I can later on when I know all the letters of my name, I can trace it with this washable marker.
Or a sketch pen, ma'am?
Yes, any sketch pen, any color. I can just learn how to make the letters. Yes. And I can join the dots also to make it more clearer to myself.
Wow, so the sparrows will know how to write their first name.
Yes.
This is so exciting. Wow, I'm sure the sparrows will love to work with sand because they always played here with sand, didn't you, sparrows?
Yes.
So let's wind up the third activity and move to the next one. Do you know what is the next activity? No, but Mom knows what is the next activity. It's a new sheep.
Oh, but it has nothing, Navneet ma'am.
It has nothing. Oh my God. Mom, what do I do with this? I know. I am going to take a brush or some cotton and a little bit of paint. So for this activity, we are giving you a paint box and it has very thin paint. It's mixed with water so that you can see what is on this. And I have a little bit of cotton. If mama and daddies, you have cotton at home, you can use cotton. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to find out what is on the sheet. Oops, I dropped some paint, ma'am. Oops.
It's okay.
So now let's see. I'm going to dip my brush. And
What are you doing, Navneet ma'am? Nothing is there. Why are you painting blue?
Ma'am, I'm trying to find out what is on my sheet. I'm painting blue because we have the unit ocean. So I feel that we have something related to ocean here. So I'm going to try with some cotton as well. Let's see
Okay, but
how it
nothing
comes
is
out.
coming, Navneet ma'am.
Ma'am, look!
Oh, what is this? I can see something.
Oh my God! It looks like a whale! So once you've colored it, the sheet full with ocean animals will look something like this. So my sheet has a whale.
Let's see.
What your sheet will have. I hope you will be excited to do this activity.
I'm sure, Navneet ma'am. And sparrows love to color and paint, right?
Yes! And now for the interesting part. Are you ready, sparrows? It's drum roll time. What's next, ma'am? It's the science experiment.
Oh my God! We have fifth activity.
Yes, and we are going to give you some beads for this. So mummies and daddies, you need to really help your child in this one because for that you will need 2 glasses of water, each one filled half with water, and preferably if you have Borosil glasses, that is, okay? And then you will need a little bit of salt and 2 lemons. As we all know that in ocean water, everyone can swim easily and float easily. But in normal water, you are not able to float so easily. Why is that?
Why is it so, Navneet ma'am?
Ma'am, let's see why is it so.
Okay.
Now I have a lemon over here. I'm going to put lemon in the water which has nothing. And look, ma'am. Oops, the lemon has sunk.
Oh my
It's
God.
not floating at all.
It's not floating, it's sunk.
Oh my God. But let's see, why did I take salt? water is very salty, and all the animals that swim are easily able to float in the ocean water because it has lots and lots of salt. So you can put the salt according to the item or a thing that you wanted to float. So I'm going to take around 3 tablespoons. 1, let's count. 2 and
3.
3. And we are going to stir it. Stir, 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 stir. And now, let's see. What do you think, Sparrows? Will the lemon float or sink?
I think it will sink.
It will sink, ma'am.
Yes, because it has sunk here also.
So let's see. Let me put the lemon here. Oh my God! Look,
It's floating.
it's floating. And ma'am, do you want to push it again back? See, it bounces back, but you cannot push it back because it's already down.
Oh, my finger is going inside.
Yes,
but
because-
how come it's coming out?
Because the salt water makes the salt mixed in the water makes it more thick, makes it more dense for things to float. You can also try with some beads. Now let's see whether the beads will float or sink.
Let's see, Navneet ma'am.
The density, the thickness of the item decides whether the thing will float or not. So the lemon in the water was floating and in the normal water it was sinking. What about beads? Ma'am, do you want to put some beads?
Okay.
Now let's first put it here. And let's see which ones sink. Oh, some are floating because they are light and they are thick. And some, now let's see ma'am, some put them in here.
Okay.
In the salt water.
All are floating.
Yes, the heavy
Magic,
ones.
Navneet.
Yes.
Is it a magic?
It works like magic,
Oh
ma'am.
my God.
That's why it's like magic. And I have one more interesting thing for you. I have a small little toy. So mummies and daddies, you can find any item at home that you want the child to see. Now let's see, in the normal water, will the toy sink or will the toy float?
I think it will sink.
Ma'am, do you want to see it's heavy or light?
I think it's light. It's not heavy, Navneet
So
ma'am.
ma'am, it should float.
Okay.
Let's see. But it sank, ma'am.
Yes, it's sunk.
So now let's see if this toy can sink or float in the salt water. It's floating! So you can take even heavy items or toys and add as much salt as you want for the thing to float. So we hope that you are going to enjoy this sinking and floating experiment, and even now you know that how the ocean water helps us to float easily. Alright?
Yes.
And you are going to enjoy it very nicely. And don't use all the salt at home, please.
Yes.
Alright, Sparrows. We love you all.
We miss
and
you.
We miss you. Bye-bye.